Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, information regarding Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, Puducherry 605006, JIPMER Puducherry, which is a institution of national importance under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. So JIPMER Puducherry is a institute of national importance, and this is among the best medical institutes of India. In this video, information regarding JIPMER Puducherry Master of Public Health MPH Entrance Exam 2026, information about eligibility criteria and important dates, and entrance exam pattern, syllabus, entrance exam centers, and other important information regarding JIPMER Puducherry Master of Public Health MPH Entrance Exam 2026 will be discussed. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, Master of Hospital Management MHM, and other courses entrance exams for various universities like Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, JIPMER Puducherry, NIMHANS Bangalore, Indian Institute of Public Health IIPH, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Christian Medical College Vellore, Punjab University, Lucknow University, SGPGI, KGMU, and for all other university and institutes, Public Health MPH, Hospital Administration MHA, Hospital Management MHM, and other courses entrance exams. And for this, if student want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is the prospectus for Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, Puducherry, and this is an institution of national importance under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. This is the pictures for JIPMER Puducherry. Admission to MSc, MPH, PBD, PGD, PGF courses and Medical Physics Internship Program. Prospectus 2026, dates of entrance examination. So for Master of Public Health MPH and other courses entrance exam date is 15 July 2026. So now eligibility criteria for JIPMER Puducherry Master of Public Health MPH Entrance Exam 2026 will be discussed. Master of Public Health MPH course code 8908 eligibility. So these are the eligibilities for JIPMER Puducherry Master of Public Health MPH Entrance Exam 2026. Any applicant with the qualification of MBBS degree, BDS Dental, BE, BTech, any branch, BSc Nursing, Bachelor of Veterinary Science, IUS, Allied Health or Social Science of any recognized university, statutory body should have passed the qualifying degree from a recognized university. So these are the qualifications. Students who have any one of the following degree, they are eligible. So qualification is, I am repeating this again, any applicant with qualification of MBBS degree, BDS Dental or BE or BTech any branch, BSc Nursing, Bachelor of Veterinary Science, IUS, Allied Health or Social Sciences of any recognized university, statutory body should have passed the qualifying degree from a recognized university. 2 years of completed work experience in public health system is desirable on or before 31st July 2026. So candidates who have 2 years of completed work experience in public health system, this is desirable on or before 31st of July 2026. Medical, dental, veterinary, nursing, IUS graduates should have registered with their respective state registration council. So candidates who have medical, dental, veterinary, nursing, IUS graduate, they should have registered with their respective state registration council. These are the distribution of seats, category, number of seats. So here total number of seats are 34, for unreserved 11, other backward classes OBC 7, scheduled caste 3, scheduled tribe 2, Economically weaker section EWS 2, sponsored deputed 9, total number of seats 34. The unfilled sponsored deputy category seats are not transferable to any other category. One seat is reserved to PWD, person with disability candidate, on horizontal reservation basis. Duration of the course. Duration of the course is 2 years. There is no stipendiary provision during the course of study. There is a provision for sponsored deputed candidate. And here information regarding requirement for admission of sponsored deputed candidates. Candidate working as a program officer, medical, non-medical, under various national health programs in central government, state government, autonomous body, public sector organization would be considered under sponsored deputed category. Format of sponsored certificate annexure 5th. The selected and admitted candidates should also pay the necessary fees. The application of sponsored deputed candidates should be forwarded through proper channel with the certificate given in annexure 4 before the last date. Sponsored deputed candidate also must appear in the entrance examination, securing not less than 50% of marks. These sponsored seats will not be pooled in the general seats. So these are the information about sponsored deputed seats. So now important dates for 2026 admissions will be discussed. So these are the important dates for JIPMER Pondicherry Master of Public Health Entrance Exam 2026. Online registration started from 15 June 2026, Monday 11 PM. Online registration closes on 6 July 2026, Monday 4:30 PM. Download of all ticket from JIPMER website jipmer.edu.in. 10th July 2026, Friday 4:30 PM to 15 July 2026, Wednesday 8 AM. Date and time of entrance examination 15 July 2026, Wednesday 9 AM to 10:30 PM. So 1 hour 30 minutes entrance exam will be on 15 July 2026, Wednesday. These are the date and time of entrance examination. Registration last date is 6 July 2026, Monday 4:30 PM. Expected date of publication of merit list on or before 10th August 2026. Details regarding counseling and admission will be announced later. Dates mentioned above is tentative and subject to change. Note: important dates and any other communication related to admission shall be notified in the JIPMER website, and no personal intimation will be sent. So in this video, information regarding JIPMER Pondicherry Master of Public Health MPH Entrance Exam 2026, important dates, eligibility criteria, and other important information has been discussed. And the other important information like entrance exam syllabus, entrance exam centers, and other information will be discussed in next video. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various institute and universities, MPH, MHA, MHM and other courses entrance, and for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.